petals dip in and out of the water resembles to me like a bird in flight moving forward. The action of the wings moving up and down propel it forward in such a beautiful, majestic way. In our culture, song is a way of storytelling, and song is a way of expressing emotion and family and life. Where would we be without that connectivity and those relationships? My dad's family was part of the voyageurs, but also he was a very skilled canoeist. I can remember as a young child, he would teach us how to hold the paddle, and he could make that canoe just sing. For me, it's very important to have our children experience their grandparents. When you've got that multi-generational appreciation and connectivity, I think that grounds us. As parents, you have those fond memories, those family moments of growing when the kids are 10 days old or a year or 2 years, and you've got those glimpses of memories and time. For me, it's a very emotional experience, seeing their connection.
Ever since I can think back, I've always been in a canoe in the summer with my mom, with my dad, with my brother. It's home. It's a constant in my life.
In today's time, it's so great to bring families back to communicating, really connecting and interacting with each other. Interactions that weave a family tighter. It's returning to basics. You strip away all these materialistic things. We really wanted to be part of providing that experience for others, but also connecting them on many different levels.
As a family, it's just such an amazing experience just to have time to be together. And I think that just wondering about things, just standing out and looking at the stars or listening and hearing how quiet it can be, those sorts of things are just what makes it magical. The meaning that they take from that will be something that becomes part of who they are.
You see an individual that's hesitant and nervous, and then when you see them come back from a 5-day or 7-day or longer trip, you see the growth. You see the self-confidence. You get the sense of their pride and their connectivity. And to be a stepping stone for others to have that experience, that's why I do it. Because one glimpse of that, and it's awesome to be a part of. Connection to me, it's family. It's all intertwined, and that's what makes it so strong, and that's what makes it beautiful. It really is part of who we are. It's part of life. It's part of true raw emotion that connects us.